Okay, everyone. This is me kind of showing how to remove motor phase wires right here. So first thing you gotta do is you gotta separate this heat shrink. So I make a initial cut. We have the phase wire. Right now I don't have any liquid flux, so I have to use paste flux. Alright, I have my T12 soldering iron set to 420 Celsius. Need to cut the phase wire in order to reduce the heat being transferred elsewhere. Oops. So we're going to tin my tip. Alright. We're going to go this way. I'm going to grab the phase wire. Let this sit for a little bit. And a little bit more. Adding a little solder to the joint. There we go. And the phase wire has been removed. And that is how you remove or desolder GTS phase wires.